This is Mommy Helena and welcome to my channel.
Hi! It's Mommy Helena and sobrang excited ako dahil nandito tayo sa media launch Space and Time Cube. Isa sa pinakabago at pinaka-instagrammable immersive museum dito sa Pampanga. And guys, wait till you see the Space and Time Tunnel. Ang ganda sa pictures at videos. Samahan niyo ako. Tingnan natin what's inside and explore every corner. Let's go!
Additional 2 pa po.
Invited people now to roam around and enjoy the food and drinks that we have prepared for you. And then for those people who have registered, I expect that you have this ticket already. So others may start to eat or drink, and then others as well can enjoy.
One that is special to welcome you. Let's give a big round of applause to the brilliant mind behind this immersive experience, Miss Nika Chang, our adventure captain.
SM City Pampanga. So, hi mga kabalen. Tama ba? Tama? Yes. Okay. So, I just want to say that this is an incredibly special day for us. Not only because we get to bring the Space and Time Cube experience to this amazing community, but because we're surrounded by the people who made this moment possible. To everyone who made the time to be here today, thank you. And your support really means the world to us.
Maya pag... Matatagal na lang. Sige, group content creator. Group content creators. So nag-vlog na pala sila. So dapat pala kapag page lagi kang ready sa envelope. No? Alright, so... Guys? Erika. Ikaw na lang. Ay, nasa ka na. The cosplayers.
playing a game.
No. I'm just stuffed and kind of sleepy.
Look, thousands of different dinosaurs grow. We will see our Allosaurus, Diplodocus, and the lots of rappers.
Alright, the guiding aircraft is about to make a return voyage. Now it's time for Liberty Tour.
Wow! Hey, you have
So ayun na guys, tapos na natin i-tour ang Space and Time Cube. At ang daming spots na perfect sa IG. Promise, mag-i-enjoy kayo. If bibisita kayo, make sure na fully charge ang phone ninyo at ready ang OOTD ninyo. And yes, you can book your tickets on Klook at gamitin ang code MOMMYHELENAKLOOK for instant discounts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share para mas marami pang makaalam sa bagong museum na ito. See you again sa next adventure. Bye!